Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send crypto from Ledger to Kraken. First, ensure your Ledger device's firmware is completely up to date for optimal security and functionality. Next, install the specific cryptocurrency application, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, on your Ledger Live Manager. Finally, make sure your Kraken account is fully verified and prepared to receive deposits, as this is a crucial step before initiating any transfer. To begin, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer and unlock it using your personal PIN code. Then, open the Ledger Live application on your desktop. Once Ledger Live is open, navigate to the Accounts section. From there, select the specific cryptocurrency account, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, that you intend to send from your Ledger device. Now switch over to your Kraken account. Log in securely on their official website. Once logged in, navigate to the Funding section. Here, you will select the exact cryptocurrency you plan to deposit, for example, Bitcoin. Kraken will then provide you with a unique deposit address. This address is essential for receiving your funds, so copy it carefully. Back in Ledger Live, click the Send button. Paste the Kraken deposit address you just copied into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Carefully review all transaction details on your Ledger device's screen, then physically confirm the transaction. Finally, monitor the transaction status on both Ledger Live and your Kraken account for successful completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.